Now, the fourth property, how do metals and non-metals react with bases? So, in this activity, sodium hydroxide is a base. Okay, you will take sodium hydroxide pellets with the help of spatula and add some water in it to make its solution. Sodium hydroxide you will get in solid form, and to make it solution आपको इसको water में add करना होगा. तो you will take sodium hydroxide pellets and add some water in it in a test tube or in a beaker. So by after adding water in sodium hydroxide pellets, you will get sodium hydroxide solution. Now you take metal, here aluminium foil you can take, it is made up of aluminium only. So aluminium foil, take some pieces of aluminium foil and put it in the beaker or in the test tube containing sodium hydroxide solution. So you will observe the formation of bubbles. Okay, so means gas has evolved, and when you bring the burning candle near the mouth of the test tube, a pop sound will produced, and that pop sound indicates that the gas produced is hydrogen. Okay, so means when matter react with bases, they produce hydrogen gas. Okay, and non-metals also reacts with bases, but the reaction is complex. Complex का मतलब क्या है? जैसे like a thread, आपने एक thread लिया, ठीक है, and that is very मतलब gets entangled, उलझ गया वो बहुत बुरी तरह से, बहुत मतलब entangle हो चुका है और वो बिल्कुल अब straight नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है ना. सो मीन्स उसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा हो गया, वो कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया है. सिमिलरली नॉन मेटल्स का जो रिएक्शन है विद बेसिस, it is complex, and that you will study in higher classes. Okay, now we will study the uses of metals and non-metals. Metals are used in making machinery. मशीनरी बनाने के लिए metals का use किया जाता है. लोहे की मशीनरीज बनती है ना, so metals are used in making machinery. They are used in making automobiles, vehicles बनाने में metals का use किया जाता है. Industrial gadgets, जो industries में tools होते हैं, that are also used, the metals are also used to make those industrial gadgets. Cooking utensils like copper के जो vessels होते हैं. ट्रेन्स की जो बॉडीज होती हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ मेटल्स, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो मेड फॉर, दे आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड for making jewelry items like gold, silver. They are also metal, and they are used in making ornaments, and they are used in making jewelry. Okay, and what about non-metals? Non-metals are used in making fertilizers. Fertilizers क्या होते हैं? They are the substances, ऐसे chemicals होते हैं that are used for the good growth of क्रॉप की अच्छी ग्रोथ होने के लिए उसको हम फर्टिलाइजर्स को जो है हम यूज़ करते हैं. फर्टिलाइजर्स लाइक नाइट्रोजन एंड फॉस्फोरस, दे आर यूज्ड इन मेकिंग nitrogen and phosphorus, non-metals are used in making fertilizers. And when you get a wound, कोई चोट लग जाती है तो आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन हम यूज़ करते हैं उसके ऊपर. तो आयोडीन इज़ अ नॉन मेटल एंड दैट इज़ यूज्ड एज एन एंटीसेप्टिक. And non-metals are also used in making crackers. And all of you know कि when we inhale, जब हम inhale करते हैं तो we take in oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is the non-metal. So that non-metal we are using for our survival also. And this pencil lead, this is also made up of non-metal, graphite. Okay, and chlorine is also a non-metal which is used in the purification of water. Chlorine के tablets को water के अंदर add किया जाता है to get it pure, to get it clean. So chlorine is a non-metal which is used in the purification of water. Okay, now to show the fourth activity, reaction with bases, let us watch one video.